This delicious creamy pumpkin soup is actually vegan, so good for you, and so easy to make. We will start by putting half a cup of cashews and soaking them in water and then just setting them aside. When you're ready to make the soup, you're going to take out a box of stock or 4 cups and put that into a pot set on medium-high heat. Then add a can of pumpkin puree or 29 ounces. Pumpkin's full of vitamins and minerals, low in calories, and it's actually related to cucumbers. Who knew, right? Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will add sweetness without any sugar. There is no refined sugar in this recipe. Then add half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Like all the spices here, nutmeg is anti-inflammatory, has antioxidants, and gives that warm, nutty flavor. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, which is antimicrobial and great for your heart. Then add half a teaspoon of ginger powder, which is great for your digestion and your cardiovascular health. Then add a teaspoon of onion powder, which is great for your bones and your heart. By now, the cashews should be well soaked, so you're going to drain them and add them to your pot. Once it bubbles, and that should be pretty soon, you're going to reduce the heat to low to medium and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see that the cashews are becoming soft, the soup is becoming thicker, and your home smells amazing. Then you're going to take out an immersion blender and blend the soup, but be careful. I actually ruined the pot by doing this, so don't make that mistake. And then toppings. I love pumpkin seeds on top of pumpkin soup. So tell me, would you eat this dairy-free, sugar-free, vegan, creamy pumpkin soup? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.